another topic S4 highest common factor. In previous class we learned about LCM, least common multiple. This is HCF, that means highest common factor. So what is factor, children? Factor means a factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving remainder. Highest common factor, that is HCF. We will write as highest common factor in the short form HCF. Write a date, children. First question is find factors. Here they gave one example. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors of 10. For example, 1 tens are 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 twos are 10. 10 ones are 10. Okay. B1 15. Here what are the factors of 15, children? 1 into 15. 1 15s are 15. Next 2 table, 2 is the factor of 15? No. 3 is the factor of 15? Yes. 3 5s are 15. Next 4? No, children. 5? Yes. 5 3s are, here already written, no? 5 3s are 15. Next 15 1s are 15. So, here factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. Next 24. C1 24. Now you will find one thing, keep it in your mind, children. 1 is the common factor of all numbers. That is, now next 24. 1 24s are. Next 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are. Next 4 6s are. Next 6 4s are. 8 3s are. 12 2s are. 24 1s are. So, what are the factors of 24, children? Factors of 24 are, start from here, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. We write like this. You can understand. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. D, E, F, do it by your own, children. Next, find the highest common factors. See here. Write first. Here X6 and 18. Here the given factor. First they written factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. And what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. SCF. We are finding here highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? Highest number, children? 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. These 4 are common factor, but which is the highest in this? 6 is the highest. So, highest common factor of 6 and 18 are 6. Next B bit, 7 and 14. What are the factors of 7 and 14? 7. Children, 1 is the factor of all number. Next, the 7 will be divided by 2? No. 3? No, children. 4 table? No. 5? No. 6? No. Next 7. Okay. 1 and 7 is the factors of 7. Next factors of 14. 1 is the factor of 14. Next 2 it will go yes. 2. 3 table no. 4 no children. 5 no. 6 no. 7 yes. Next 8 no. 9 no. 10 no. Direct 14. So these are the factors of 7 are 1, 9, 7. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. Which is the highest common factor here? 7. So HCF of 7 and 14, factors of 7 and 14 is equal to 7. Next C bit. Next 15. What are the factors of 15 children? 1. Next 3 yes. It will be divided by 3. Next 4 children no. 5 yes. Next 6 no. 7 no children. Direct it will be divided by 15. Next 27. See, these are the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Next 27. 1 table yes. 2 table it will be divided children no. 3 yes. 4 no. 5 no children. 6 no. Next 7 no. 8 no. Next 9, and next it will be direct divisible by 27. So what are the factors of 15 and 27? Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. Which is the highest common factor? 3 is the highest common factor. So HCF of 15 and 27 are is equal to 3. So this D, E, F, you do it yourself children. Solve D, E, F bits children. After solving, refer these answers. Okay. Thank you children. We'll meet in next class.